Welcome to All Hands Update. I'm Petty Officer Brandy Wills with your headlines from around the fleet. The 3 amphibious ships supporting Hurricane Sandy relief efforts will return to their home ports in Virginia November 12th. USS Wasp, USS San Antonio, and USS Carter Hall moored off the coast of New York and New Jersey following Hurricane Sandy to support relief efforts. USS Bataan hosted the Navy Marine Corps Classic basketball game between the University of Florida Gators and the Georgetown University Hoyas November 9th. Condensation on the court caused officials to stop the game out of concern for player safety, but after 20 minutes of playing time, the Gators led 27-23. You can read more about these stories at Navy.mil. From All Hands Update, thanks for watching.